Hello engineers, in this video we are going to discuss about the what is the use of the filter and sort in the Excel. Okay, that is very important. If you are learning the Excel, so you must know about the significance of the filter and sort. So in this video we are going to discuss about it. So okay, where is the filter and sort in the Microsoft Excel? So when you will come in the data tab, so you will see there is sort and filter group. Okay, this is sort and this is filter, right? So now we will discuss that how we can use filter and sort in the Microsoft Excel, right? So what we will do to apply filter and sort? First we will select our data. Here we have select our data, right? Suppose you have a large data, okay, just assume that right now we have only 10 number of employees sales record. Let's suppose if you have 1000, 10,000, right? So if you are using that time, so how it could be significant to you? Okay, that you have to think. Right now just I am giving you the example, right, by applying the filter and sort. Now you have to apply here filter. Now as the name described that this is the filter, means it will filter something. What it will filter? Let's suppose I click here at the name, so you will see that text filters is there, equals, does not equal, begins with, ends with, contains, does not contain, custom filter. Okay, equals with me, equals means let's suppose you want the name of the Suresh. So when you will write here Suresh and equals, so you will find that the only Suresh data will be there. Okay, let's suppose you have the thousands of data, thousands of employees, 2000s of employees, or let's suppose hundreds of employees you have, and you want the data, or you want to see you want to check the performance of the Suresh. You can simply check it out from the filter, right? If you want to remove it, so simply clear filter from the name, so you will remove from here. What is the significance of it? Significance is that suppose if you have a large data, from large data you want to extract some information, so you can easily extract that information from the filter. Got it my point? Okay, right now we are applying the filter at the name, text filters. Now does not equal to, let's suppose you want to check the performance all the employees except Suresh, so simply does not equal to, begins with, let's suppose here I have written S, means I want the names of all the employees which start from the S. So you will see S. Got it my point? That is the significance of the filter. Right now I am only applying at the name. Okay, you can see here select all. If I'll unselect it, right now I want the data of Suresh, Sandeep, Ravi and Naeem. Then okay, so you will get the information only Suraj, Sandeep, Ravi and Naeem. Wow, that is very good. Okay, if you are using this filter, so you can extract the information very easily. Your time will be saved. Okay, that was at the name. Got it my point? You can also check it out. Now let's suppose I am applying that filter in the January. Number filters, because there was the number. It is same as the conditional formatting. We also discuss about the conditional formatting. If you haven't watched that video, please check it out, that video, if you are learning Microsoft Excel. Same here, means equals, does not equal, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, top 10, above average, below average. Let's suppose from one example, greater than. You want the information of those employees whose sales was greater than 25,000 in the month of the January. So just click here, so you will find that there was only 3 employees, Suresh, Suraj and Sanjay, whose sales in January was greater than 25,000. Got it? If you want to clear it, you can simply clear it from here. Okay, that we can use from the here. Okay, this was the number filters. You can check it out, same thing is there. Both filter is same. Name filter was here, text filter, and this filter is a number filters, right? So it was about the filter that you can use at the total, at max, minimum, average, it depends on you. Okay, now we will discuss about the sort. What is the significance of the sort here? Now we will see that how to use the sort option in the Microsoft Excel. So you can simply see here, there is the name Suresh, then Ravi, name. Okay, let's suppose at the name of Ravi I am writing here Amit, right? Now I have to apply here sort option, right? So how I'll apply? Simply click here, sort A to Z, sort Z to A, sort by color. When we use sort, we use sort for the ascending and descending order, to arrange our data in the ascending or descending order. So sort A to Z, if I'll click, so you can simply see here your data has been arranged from A to Z form. Got it? Same you can do it from Z to A, right now I am doing here A to Z. Same you will see, as this data changed, so this all data also changed. Okay, now here serial number also changed, but I want that serial number should be come as A to Z, right? A to Z it should become, right? So what I'll do, I'll simply select it. Okay, you have selected, go here, sort. Now there is a two option. First, expand the selection, and second one is continue with the current selection. So I'll go with the continue with the current selection. If I'll go with the expand the selection, so what will happen, that as this serial number will change, so all the data will also change, right? So continue with the current selection, sort. Here column A, yes, cell values, right, smallest to largest, yes, from smallest to largest I want to get. Click here, so 1 to 10, this is the data, and your remaining data is same, but at that case your remaining data was also changing. Got it my point? So that is the significance of the filter and sort. You can simply extract the data. That is very important concept in Microsoft Excel. If you know filter and sort, so while working with the data, you can easily extract the data and you can easily save your time. Got it my point? So that's all for the today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can simply like our video, subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so that you could get the latest notification. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning the Excel.